Thanks for joining us for another video at MontanaFJC. I thought this time I'd make a video that wasn't involving us getting stuck and smashing up our rigs and all that kind of fun aggressive stuff. So these are some aerial shots of some footage of our Redlodge run on day 2. If you look at the background in this video, you can see that there was a forest fire here. This is from the 2015 West Fork fire. Approximately 400 acres had gone up due to a rekindling of a controlled burn the week before. I found this particularly interesting because it had rekindled from a controlled burn, and it's just kind of a reminder for us to make sure we're safe out there when we're camping and off-roading in our rigs. Here you can see one of our members actually did get stuck on this run. Luckily we did use our Gear America synthetic rope to get him out. As you can see, we did get him going. I'd like to take a minute to thank all of our group sponsors, OZ USA for all of our lighting needs, Gear America for all of our recovery gear needs, Tech Lifts for basically taking care of everybody with their lifts in our group, Right Channel Radio for all of our radio needs, and Gaia GPS for helping us find our way. And of course, all you viewers who are watching these videos, thank you and have a great day.